Okay, this is a cheap knife sharpener. I was told that it's really bad actually, but it was only $5.50. I will test it with my pretty cheap pocket knife. So this is my cheap pocket knife, pretty blunt. I don't move it left and right. If I move it, it's even easier. Carbide and ceramic for fine sharpening. Wow, these are the details. So I will open the package. Oh, feels really cheap. Wow, it really feels really cheap. It's some kind of a spinning cylinders. This is the coarse. The coarse one is not moving. It's really just two blades facing each other. And then the ceramic, it's spinning. So if I try this, first I will try with the coarse. And this blade wasn't sharp ever, so can't make it worse. Oh, already works pretty well. I don't know why they were telling me. Or why the people say it's not good. Maybe it will wear out the blade faster, I don't know. Doesn't work still, so I'll speed things up a little bit. Discs are spinning, I think. Is it? I can't tell if they're spinning or no. Looks like no, just a little bit. Okay, let's try. Okay, these are the marks. Trying to keep the knife straight. They are spinning. You see this, the marks are moving around, so it is spinning. Finger check. Oh, it's worse. I think it made it worse. Cuts a little bit, but not. I put a bit of water in it. There's just a stone there. Sharpen the full length of the blade, but I think it's fine. Feels a bit better. Still pretty weak. I think now we're getting there. Still a bit difficult. It just now that this area is pretty sharp, but not here. So now. Yeah, it just wouldn't work. So this thing will not go anywhere near my Swiss Army knife, my Victorinox Swiss Army knife. It's really sharp. And when I need to sharpen it, I will get a Victorinox pen sharpener, that thing. I wanted to get that one. Oh, look how sharp it is. Look. And the small blade, I used it a little bit, so let's see if the small blade is still sharp. Maybe not. Yeah, the small blade lost its edge. Not so sharp anymore, but still feels sharp here. Basically, don't waste your money on this thing. That's all I can say. Hope this was helpful for someone.